has forged. The condition of a forging as it comes out of the finisher cavity without any subsequent operations like heat treatment or normalizing, annealing or further machining is called has forged. ASTM specifications. The American Society for Testing and Materials is shortly are abbreviated as ASTM. Auxiliary operations. Additional processing steps performed on forgings to obtain properties such as surface conditions or shapes not obtained in the regular processing operations are called auxiliary operations.